It's a good thing Lauren asked Nick way back when why he didn't ask her for a date. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here. Thank you for joining us and witnessing this union of Nicholas Jeffrey Malore and Lauren Faye Rose. We're gathered to celebrate the union of two hearts, brought together by love. That has brought Lauren and Nick together. May their union be blessed with joy, strength, and understanding. Let the wisdom of those who came before guide them, and the support of all gathered here uplift them. Just a feeling, but a choice you make every day. It's a commitment to put each other first, to forgive, to support, and to grow with one another. Everybody would please stand. Please be seated. And I didn't. You're welcome. I didn't forget to say it this time. They stood a lot last night.
For years, I didn't think I was meant to find true love. It was something that just seemed so out of reach to me. But then there was you, in your green Bush Light shirt and cowboy boots.
I vowed to love you in good times and in bad, for you are the treasure of my heart and my best friend. Today I give myself to you in marriage and pledge these things to you for all the days of my life.
By the power vested in me by God and the great state of Wisconsin, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, kiss your bride. Okay. Now let me be the first to introduce you guys to Mr. and Mrs. Malore.
Ready?
what this world